Look what I got! My lovely son bought me the Miniverse Hershey edition. It's so cute! And look at all of that. And it really made me want chocolate after I finished doing the do's. Look at it! It's so cute. It's so very, very cute. I love minis. I can't help it. And there's a few people that said they wanted to see me do this one, so I thought I'd do a quick video. And yeah, there's lots of little spare bits, so I can make more stuffs. And my God, this set has made me want Reese's Pieces. I like Reese's Pieces. I really, really, really like Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces do not like me though, which I ignore. My daughter's the same. She loves it too. Thank you to my members, my subscribers, and everybody who watches to the end. You are all awesome sauce. And if you want to see stuff again, please subscribe, hit that like, and comment. But there's 3 bottles of syrup. It's resin, obviously. This is not edible. None of it is. If anybody's watching that doesn't realise. There's cocoa powder. And I've got 3/4 of a tub of that left. I've got sprinkles. I've got cookie dough. I've got a tartlet thing. Spoons, scoops, a spreader, strawberries. I mean, the strawberries. Oh my God, they're adorable. Did I say sprinkles? Yes, I said sprinkles. Ice cream, Reese's Cups, Hershey's. Oh God, there's just all sorts of tiny tinies, and I am in love. Truly in love. But I will say this. Miniverse do not think about the fact that resin doesn't cure with things on top of it. You do have to work around it a lot. And those of us that know resin and UV resin know that it needs a light. Now, the drinks of cocoa has taken a very, very long time to cure. I didn't think about doing it in layers. I completely forgot myself because I was so excited just to get it done because I wanted to play with it. Yes, I am 5. I don't care. I am 5. And so Miniverse has really got to think about that because it doesn't work. In fact, at some point I was considering using super glue to glue like the little chocolates on top and things like that. But I didn't. I refrained. I just cured it for what felt like hours. UV resin is not supposed to cure that long. Take that long to cure, should I say. So that's the only thing that's miffed me. The last kit was easier to cure. Wasn't so many bits on top of bits, and you could always work around it anyway. But this one, you've got like chocolates on top of syrup and Hershey kisses on top of like a fondant coloured UV, and well, obviously if it's on top it ain't going to cure, so I kind of had to go around the edges of things so I could get to the UV. And I have got what look like icing sugar. That's what I mix with the strawberry sauce, and it's just all just so cute. I like it. I know what I want for Christmas. Oh dear. So I'm going to be putting my order in very, very soon with my children. I really would like the Harry Potter lot. Because magic potions in Miniverse, well, mini versions, gotta be done. I'm sorry, but it's gotta be done. I mean, I already have quite a lot of little minis, and I do want to use the little minis in something else. Obviously not the attic, because as minis go, they're going to be too big for the attic. So I can't have any foods in there. I was thinking of putting a cup in it or something, but I'm going to have to think about that. Everything's got to be super mini. But look at these cups. Oh my God. They're adorable. They're just, ugh. And some of these plastics, I think I can use them. There we go again. Oh dear. The wrappers for the Hershey's Kisses. I tried. I really did try to wrap them. They look like a dog's done it. Nah, too tiny for me to wrap things up. That's just no. It took me half an hour to get into the actual wrappers in themselves. And then I ended up looking at it thinking, no. So I do try to wrap them up. I think I did 3. The rest I left as they were. And there's a vase. Did you see the vase? It looks like a Hershey. It's so cute. I know I sound like a 5-year-old and I'm sorry. I really am. But it's so cute. I'm just like, oh my god. Have you seen the Minions? The little girl when she goes, it's so fluffy. I feel like that. Yeah. That was me when he handed it to me. This was me all the way through the video. I mean, tiny, cute. But I've definitely got to do some sort of sweet shop. I think that might have to be my next project. I do want to do one in a tin, but these will be too big for the tin, so maybe a little trolley with sweets on. Ooh. I'm giving ideas. Oh, should I get in ideas? But they're just so nice. I mean, I was struggling to hold them tweezers. So I just did them with my knuckles instead. It felt a bit easier doing it that way. And I'm sure there would have been a lot easier way of putting the actual, it's called cream, I think. It's UV resin, obviously. I thought, sure, there would have been an easier way of putting that in. But hands, no play. They didn't like it. So I'm doing my best. But as you can see, you fill the hole up and then you put the Hershey Kisses. What is wrong with the word kisses today? The Hershey Kisses on top. So of course, the UV resin underneath is not going to cure. So I did have to keep taking them off and adjusting them underneath the light. Pain in the bottom. Total pain. But as you saw, there was lots of cream left in UV resin in that pot. So I can use that later on, and I have got lots of little pots with lots of bits of resin in for these. I tried to squash the kisses into the UV, try and make sure there's some coated around the outside, but it didn't work on a few of them, so I had to keep adjusting. That one, where I pain in the bottom, it kept turning around on me and it wouldn't sit properly. But they're just so cute and so tiny. I mean, I don't know what these ones are supposed to be, because I'll be honest with you, I'm not into Hershey's stuff. I don't know much about Hershey's stuff. But the Reese's stuff, oh, yum yum. I'd love some of them. And all these little pieces of cutlery and the forks, the ice cream scoop, and oh, as you can probably tell, I was in my element. So I'm doing the cocoa drinks now, the hot chocolate. And wait till you see the marshmallows. Oh my god. So I put quite a bit of powder in there. Probably didn't need half as much of that. So I had to tap it down in the pot just to make sure it stayed in. And this is supposed to be milk. And you're supposed to mix it together. Now, if I'd have thought on, I'd have found a little plastic tub to do it in and then layered it. Instead, I had to cure, break the seal, mix, cure, break the seal, mix until it was finally cured. And it took a very, very long time. Oh, and also turning the cups to the sides, to the back, to the front, and upside down. Even though I got a double light, it still took forever because I got it on my single light there, but then I changed it from a double one. Now, this, don't panic when you see me cutting it. It's a big chocolate bar, but you're supposed to cut it into smaller chocolate bars. to fit onto your hot chocolate. Well, there's loads of this left too. Did you see that one go flying? It just went whee! So yeah, I didn't cut all of them. I kept some as big chocolate bars and I kept some as little chocolate bars. I did put one chocolate bar in and it disappeared into the actual goo. So I waited till it was half cured before I put any more in. But these, look at them. They're so tiny. So tiny. I was in awe. Total awe of these teeny tiny little marshmallows. I was like, oh my god. Yeah. I will grow up one day. Just not today. Now this is the strawberry flan thingy. And yeah, it's adorable. So yes, I forgot I got it in front of the light yet again. So I put my hand there just to make sure it didn't get any light on it. And you mixy the red syrup. So I'm assuming it's supposed to be strawberry syrup. And you add the powder and it turns it pink. Now half of that powder went onto the actual tabletop, so you know. And it didn't show you making a swirl. I just thought it'd look really pretty. And actually there was absolutely no point, because once I put the spiders in, no, the strawberries in, it hid it really. But it was cute and it was fun to play with. And opening the strawberries, Jesus, they are so detailed and so tiny and gorgeous. And I do have a bit of a veg rack from Miniverse, so that will now be in my veg rack. Or my fridge. I might have them in the fridge. Although I don't have strawberries in the fridge normally, because otherwise they just go rotten because I forget they're there. I like to have them out and eat them near enough straight away because I like strawberries. Now this is the cookie dough, and that is a blob of ice cream. Luckily the whole ice cream is surrounded by resin, so that's okay. And then we've got a Reese's cup, and I cure that first while I'm waiting. I'm going to do the buns, the cupcakes, and you can see I'm putting the syrup stuff around the edge, so then when I put the, well, I think it's supposed to be icing on top, it should cure it, because then it'll ooze out the sides rather than all being stuck in the middle, you know, when I'm not chucking the actual things all over the place. And I do apologise about them being right on the edge. I hadn't realised, I just got well into it. And then I put a blob of the syrup on top, but make it a big blob. So then whatever I'm putting on top, whether it be a half of a Reese's cup or a full cup, it'll splodge in and then cure. But again, takes forever to cure, and it's a good light that I'm using. It's just, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to want to cure very well. But now I'm going to put on some syrup for the cookie dough and a little bit on the strawberry flan thing, because, well, why not? I think I also put some marshmallows on, I'm not sure, or sprinkles. Oh, I put sprinkles on, I forgot while I was doing it. So if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and I shall see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.